This is the Chevy Cruze, the first generation, 2011, 2015. And if you need to jack up this car, you will need to install your jack in the proper place. The jack points are located near the wheels. So if you need, for example, to take off this wheel, you will find the jack point here on the seal of the two elements being welded together. There is a cavity that shows you where to install the jack. This is the jack point for this wheel, and you will find these jack points near every wheel. So here is the front wheel, and here you have the same jack point. It's very important to use the dedicated jack points, because otherwise you can easily damage something in this car. And also the important thing to know that just putting your vehicle to park and engaging the parking brake is not enough to hold this car. So what you will need to do, for example, you work with this wheel. This is the driver's side rear wheel, and you will want to find some bricks, find something to put under this wheel on both sides to block these wheels, this wheel, front passenger side, from both sides, and then your car will not move an inch, because otherwise it may move and it may fall off the jack, and you may get injury and you may damage something in the braking system, in the suspension system of your car. So be careful with that, and always choose some level ground, firm ground for jacking up the car. Otherwise it's not safe at all.